Hello YouTube, so I'm gonna get back to testing this out. I borrowed a propeller from this. I'll give it back if I find the other one, or if I just go buy another Five Below helicopter. They're cheap, but I apologize in advance for the bad lighting of anything indoors because our power is out for some reason. So yeah, let's test that out. All right, let's do it. Huh. So if it loses direct contact with this controller, that sucked. Alright, let's try again and hope that my phone doesn't fall. Oh goodness. That was also pretty awful. Well, there's your problem. Alright, third time's the charm, hopefully. That did not go well. So I found the issue. The weight that's supposed to be here to stabilize this is gone. It must have fallen off in that first crash. And so now it's very tail heavy. So I'm going to take the servo out and just see how it does like this. Because it might work. It could also fail miserably, who knows, but you know. Let me just adjust that, and see, it keeps hooking to one side. Okay, so it did well until it nosedived. Okay, so evidently it doesn't work well without the weight here to sort of keep it stable. And I mean, you need all four propeller blades. So I think the next step in this is to just take the other Five Below helicopter and replace this one. And use that one for like spare parts or something. And the nice thing is, they're cheap. So, you know, I can drop $5 on another one. That's about it for this video. Seeing the power came back. What are you doing?